welcome to Nick and Chris Works, where we attempt to build things, make things, repair things with the little knowledge we have in our little garage with minimal tools and minimal cost. Well, winter is coming, and that means time for winter driving and winter tires.
Thank you for calling Canadian Tire. If you know the extension of the person you are trying to reach, please enter it now. For jewelry.
Please wait a moment. Thank you for calling Canadian Tire Auto Service. How can I help you?
Inquiring about the winter tire installation and what the cost is.
Okay. So $28 per tire.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye. There you go. Instead of spending my $112, I can show you how to do it yourself. Get your tire wrench. You can use your tire jack that came with the car, or I highly recommend getting yourself one of these great bad boys, an axle jack. Find your the key for your lock. Not all cars have that. Loosen all 5 or 6 or 4 bolts that you have in the tires before jacking it up. Just break the seal, and if have my luck and one of those bolts won't come loose, get yourself a pull and no trouble at all. With the car jacked up, continue to remove the bolts. Stick the new tire on. You're going to want to tighten these bolts in a crisscross fashion, top, bottom, left, right, to help the wheel set evenly, kind of like in a star shape pattern, like this, as you go along the bolts. Once you lower the car, you can finish tightening all the bolts. That way the tire won't spin on you. Finishing hubcap, if you have one. That's it.
1 4.
Oh, tire pressure check is always important because those tires will sit in the garage over the winter and you're ready to go traveling in the snow. Enjoy and be safe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.